How's it going, guys? Stefan is here and you're watching Sygtech. Welcome back to another video. Very excited for today's video, especially because we have a very interesting product that I'm very excited to show you. So we have a mic activator from Maono. As you can see, this product actually is gonna be new product from Maono company. And actually, I just want to say a big thank you for sending this product earlier, just to give you a preview about this product. So this is not a paid endorsement. They just sent this product earlier to check it out, to show you this product, to give you my opinion, and also to help you to make the right decision if you're planning to buy a mic activator in the future. So this product is not released yet. This is an engineering sample which I'm very happy to show you in today's video and talk about this product, which is going to be released in the United States first and then will be released in the other regions. So again, take my word of pinch of salt, this is not the final product. So a little bit about this product is, as you can see, this is all metal, which I'm very happy to see. Actually, this is a very durable product, and this doesn't have any switches. As you can see, this requires a 48 phantom power. To activate this unit, you need a type of mixer or audio interface. Most of the audio interfaces, they have 48 phantom power or mixers as well. So pretty decent actually. If you're wondering what is the weight, this is around 300 grams, and this is gonna give you 30 dB of clean gain. This is a very popular unit if you have a low output microphones such as Shure SM7B, which I'm currently talking right now. And what the preamp will do, this microphone booster is gonna help you to give you a clean gain, so you don't have to turn your audio interface up to max. We know the most audio interfaces, they have up to 50 to 55 dB of gain, but if you max it to the end, you're gonna start to hear some background noise, and that's why this comes in the middle for low output microphones, Riven microphones, Shure SM7B, RE20, and so on and so on. So that's why I'm very excited in today's video to show you this early sample and to test it, and we'll see if actually this is gonna help you to make your purchase in the future when this product will be released. So let's talk about now what I'm currently connected. So this is the Shure SM7B connected to a solid state logic, connected to my Mac. So the current volume right now is 9. So as you can see, well, I don't know if you can see, I'm gonna make sure I'm gonna put some video on the screen just to have idea. So this is, as you can see right now, 9, so nearly a 10. This turns up to 10. So in normal term, this is around 5 o'clock. So up to the end. So again, it's not bad recording, but if you want to get most of this Shure SM7B, you need a lot of gain. So that's why this comes in the middle. And the Shure SM7B is on a flat mode, no EQ added. So this is pure raw audio from the microphone. So we'll see if there's any changes when I try to use this a microphone booster, a preamp, mic activator. So it pretty much is the same thing. The model of this product is MA100. So without further ado, let's connect it to my audio interface and let's hear if there's any difference. Alright, so now you're listening the Shure SM7B connected to Maono MA100, as you can see. So this is connected right now. Also, I'm gonna show you a clip of my audio interface. So the volume is 2 o'clock. So earlier was nearly 5 o'clock and now it's 2 o'clock. So as you can hear, this is the sound from MA100 by Maono, and I think should sounds I don't know, I think my voice, well, I'll check the recordings later, but I have the feeling that this is much richer, and let me know in the comments down below if there's any difference, because I think there should be some difference of my voice, should sounds much richer, and especially the low end is much higher. And we know that we always looking for this radio vibe, and you can get that with this microphone, but you need to get the most of it from this microphone, so the full potential. I know the audio interfaces, you can still run the Shure SM7B with normal audio interface with the 50 to 55 dB, but again you're gonna start to hear some hiss, some background noise, and even if you do that, you still don't get the radio vibe from this microphone. You don't get the richness, you don't get this, when you're on the top of the microphone. So let me know, what do you think? Shure SM7B connected to solid state logic and also connected to MA100 by Maono, and I can see, actually let me show you a clip of my DAW just to see, just to have an idea what actually I'm looking as well, so at least we can have an idea what the DAW it says. 2 o'clock versus 5 o'clock, and again this is the Shure SM7B connected to MA100. What I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna be quiet for a couple of seconds just to hear if there's any hiss, any background noise, and yeah, let's do that now. Okay, so if there's any difference, let me know in the comments down below. What do you think? There's any difference with my voice? Does my voice sounds much richer? Does my voice sounds clear? My fan is kicking off right now on my Mac, so I don't know if you can hear that. But yeah, so I think we're in a very good way now. But let me know, what do you think about Maono MA100? I know the mic activators, they're quite popular, but again, this is a plus. At least you can have another company trying to do something good, and so again, this is a very good, in my opinion. And let me know, what do you think about this mic activator from Maono? So the next clip is gonna be without the MA100, just to compare properly, and you can switch, and let's do that right now. Alright, so now you're listening the Shure SM7B without the MA100. So let me show you. I just removed the cable, and this is the actual unit, and also I didn't change the settings. So earlier was, the dial was saying 2 o'clock, and as you can hear right now, this is very low. Again, I'm gonna volume this up to 9. That should be much better right now, so at least, okay, this should be much better right now. So this is the Shure SM7B without the MA100, and now I'm gonna be quiet for a couple of seconds just to see if there's any difference. Alright, so let me know in the comments down below. Do you hear any difference? And I think the best way is just to put some nice headphones, or if you have proper monitors at home in your studio, just to hear if there's any difference, because I believe there's a huge difference between without and with the MA100 from Maono. Let me know what do you think. Let's switch back now to MA100. Alright, so now you're listening the Shure SM7B with MA100. So let me know what do you think. Do you hear any difference? I believe there should be some difference with my voice, and the more important is I just wanna know what do you think. And once again, I just want to say big thank you to Maono for sending this early sample just to show you. And also make sure to subscribe, because I'm gonna do even more tests with this new product which will be released soon. So don't forget to turn your bell notifications, subscribe, share, and like the video. So thank you very much for watching today's video. If you have any questions, please leave it in the comments down below. I'm gonna make sure to answer all the questions if you have any. As always, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.